Jimmy Absher, he is at the controls on the Chevrolet Pace car. I believe for season number 8, Jimmy has one of the best seats in the house, and he is ready to lead this field to the green flag here in just a few moments. Thank you to McDowell Heating and Air Sportsman. Thank you to McDowell Heating and Air Portersville for their sponsorship of our Sportsman Series. How about it one more time for the band that's playing? Southern and some others could not get work down the time, and oh, here comes. Missing an iPhone, just had one in the front box. All right, Tyler Bush, Michael Wells, DJ Dean, and Blaine Curry set to go racing, going 15 laps. Start of season, that car goes up in smoke, and that'll bring out our call 811 before you big caution flag. And these stadium stock machines will be in action as we go back to racing. Down. 6 remaining in the first. 15-lap event for the Q104. Your attention, please. Gregory N. Crowder. Gregory N. Crowder. We have something that belongs to you that is valuable in the press box. For you to bring your ID to claim it. Gregory N. Crowder. We have something that's pretty important for you in the press box. We need to bring an ID to claim it. Gregory N. Crowder. More starts than anybody here at Stable Stock Division is the reason for the call 811 before you dig caution flag. I got some great news for you.